I was asked to speak a little bit about the market, like as an employer. What do I look for? How do I hire people? What are the challenges that I have as the employment market today in Canada? And when one of the students go for an interview, what will be the things that they need to be aware of to be able to find a good match for whatever they want to do. Xenex is a software development company. We do have primarily two major products, and we specialize very closely in an industry called the surety industry, which is a subsidiary of large insurance companies. That is our majority of our clients. We do business with government, we do business with contractors. The fact that you have a great team of people working for you, and they are basically all together, pulled together, it makes it a pleasure to go to work. And yes, it is a good opportunity for them to at least listen to an employer and be able to understand what does it take for them to be able to find the right match for their career and their ambitions.
As an international student, I came from another culture, another company cultures, back in South America. And here in Canada, all the things that I'm learning, of course, they are new.
Wow, students need to attend workshops like that because it's the big opportunity for us.
After this presentation of Xenex, I can say that I feel more confident, with the information that they gave us.